Take 250 grams of flour. Take half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now mix all the ingredients together. Once done, add 2 tablespoons of curd. Now add 1/4 cup of milk. And 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 1/3 cup of water. Now mix everything together and make a soft dough of it. Now put some flour on the slab and knead it for 3 to 4 minutes for perfect dough. Now as you can see, the dough is ready. Now take a bowl. Now apply some oil in the bowl. Put the dough and you can apply some oil on the top. Now take a wet cloth, cover your dough properly and keep it aside for 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's make garlic butter. Take 2 tablespoons of butter, add 1 teaspoon of sauted garlic and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now mix it well and keep it aside. Now take out the dough from the bowl. Now put some flour on the slab and on the dough as well. Now start to flatten the dough with your hands. Now make it even using a rolling pin. Now turn the dough upside down. Now apply some garlic butter on the dough. Take some mozzarella cheese and spread it on the half side of the dough. Add some corns on it. And some capsicum as well. Add some chopped coriander for taste. And some more cheese for the cheese lovers. Now take some water and apply it on the sides. Now fold the dough and start sealing the corners. Now take a pan and apply some butter. Now put the dough in the pan. Apply some garlic butter on the top. Put some oregano and some chili flakes. Put some cuts like this, but do not separate them properly. Now bake at 180 degree for 20 to 25 minutes. Now take it out and check if it's properly baked. Apply some garlic butter on the top after baking.